This one was crazy.
We're back to Bellagio in Las Vegas, and today
We're gonna review a resort king room with a fountain view. Let's go.
what do we have here? We have this beautiful king bed with 2 nightstands, we have these 2 chairs, we have working station, we have bar station, we have this small closet with 2 bathrobes and some iron, and enough space for small vacation getaway from Los Angeles, for example. Here we have this small TV. It's a little bit old, but it's still fine, it's working. Here we have like bar station. Don't forget, this charge you automatically. So, and we have this central part with USB charger, with HDMI, and like just plug for your phone. We have these glasses. It surprised me because like it's a real glass, not the plastic. Let's move around. So here we have a security place, safe, next to your bed. So if you someone at night come to your room, you will be ready because you're safe next to you. It's a cool, huh? So let's go. By the way, always love this stuff. It's so convenient because like when you go to bed, you take off your clothes and put to this bench. So on another side, we have this beautiful guy with charger for iPhone 4. If you have iPhone 4, you are super lucky with this guy. And let's check the bath. Here we have a shower and bathtub, one sink with a big mirror, and pretty much that's it. And of course a toilet. So it's pretty simple, but with marble floor, with marble top and marble shower. Probably 10 years ago. It's super cool. And we have this cool feature, shears controller. So babe, and how do you like this fountain view?
I love it.
I feel like I'm in Paris.
Yes, this fountain view is the best. Look, we have a view of fountains, we have the view of the Paris. I'm sure that just in a couple hours when it gets dark and it starts blinking, it's gonna be just amazing. So I can't wait. And by the way, if you haven't seen our video from Cosmopolitan, which had an amazing view of the Bellagio fountains and everything around it, check it out. We'll have a link below or somewhere like here, and let's compare which one is better.
For me, I feel like I am in Paris, which is my favorite city. So the second favorite city is Las Vegas, because we have Eiffel Tower. And now let's check the dusty places. Let's start from this guy. I know, I feel it. You are super dusty, probably. I don't know. Let's check. Oh no, it's clean. Let's check another one. Let's check this one, maybe this one. Ah! No, it's clean. Ooh, surprise me, Bellagio, you are doing good. But let's check under the nightstand.
Dude, I think it's easy. Cool. It doesn't have anything.
Oh really? Yeah. Yes, it's clean. Yeah, here's clean. Let's move. Clean. Oh my gosh. Usually TV has a lot of dust. Just a little bit, I think it's fine. Let's check the headboard. clean. Wow. If we compare with the Cosmo here, like in a hospital, let's check this out. Clean. Clean, I can't believe it. It's super clean. Yeah, let's do it. It's easy, you know. It's easy. Ready? It's clean as well. It's not a promotion. I try to do my best, but not in this hotel. I don't know why, but it's here like it's not renovated room, but it's super clean. Oh, I know. It's hard to reach. Oh yeah. It's super dusty. Ha 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 ha. Shoulders clean, sink clean, here is clean, and here is clean. Bathtub is clean. The most important part is yellow stain. Let's check. Bellagio, you did a great job! Respect. Super clean.
If you have Bellagio Fountain View Suite, please wait till the very last one at midnight. It's the best. It's just like crazy.
So babe, are you excited about Fountain View?
Yeah, I'm always excited about the Fountain View. It's super cool. Look, we've got it like up front, the most central view. Oh, lovely.
Wow.
And now let's explore common grounds.
So, beautiful hall, but we have this stuff here. Another was there. And one more here. In 4 hours and we still have everything's here, yeah?
Yeah, so they don't seem to clean that much, but the rooms are clean.
Yeah.
But not here. We really have.
Hello. Yeah, thank you.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes sing, I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you get buried in the sorrow.
So, how do you like this room? Tell me.
Why are you asking me?
Is it good or bad?
I love the view. The view is just like amazing. We have the very central view of the fountain. We have it from the 16th floor, which is right, but it's dated. So I'm really happy that they have renovated rooms right now, but you can actually get one with the fountain view at the moment. So let's wait and see, maybe sometime later they're gonna have the whole tower renovated, and it's gonna be like at least worth it, because at this point I think it's just not worth like almost $800 per night.
How much do we pay for this room?
We paid something like $350 for the weekday. For the weekend it's almost $800.
So, and for me, I love this view. It's beautiful. We enjoy last evening sitting next to the window. Yeah, so yeah, room is really old, and some furniture with the scratches, you know. So, but it's not bad.
Updates are coming.
Yeah, updates are coming. So probably.
If you haven't seen our video is a new renovated room. Check it out. It's already, and we'll maybe compare it for you as well. That's what you pay for when you stay in Bellagio. That's just the view.